How to download Microsoft Word application on smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily download and install the Microsoft Word application on your smartphone, whether you want to create or edit documents on the go. First things first, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and launch open Google Play Store on Android. On iPhone, open up App Store. In the search bar at the bottom, type in Microsoft Word. In the search result, look for the Microsoft Word application from Microsoft Corporation. This one is the genuine app over here. Now, tap on the Get button or the Install button on your Android to get the application started installing. On your iOS, you will need to go ahead and authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After you are done with that, your download process will begin. Wait for a few moments while the app downloads and installs on your phone. Once you are done installing the app, tap on Open. Now, you have successfully downloaded the Microsoft Word app on your smartphone. Now you can create new documents, edit existing files, and share your work directly from your phone with ease. Just go ahead and sign into your existing Microsoft account with its credential, or if you don't have an account yet, tap on the Sign Up for a Free button to start your registration now. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.